This is an AI video that was created in Canva AI, and this is also another AI video that was created in this platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI video using Canva AI. Alright, first let's open a Canva document. It could be any type of document. It could be Instagram post or maybe social media post or anything. It doesn't really matter. Now let's open a new page and navigate to the elements menu on the left side of the screen. And then here you might want to scroll down a little bit and then navigate to the area that says AI image generator. Click generate your own and click videos. So you can describe what kind of video that you want AI to generate. Maybe there is one thing here that you need to keep in mind. It will generate only 16:9 aspect ratio video. It cannot create vertical or maybe square video. It can only generate a traditional 16:9 aspect ratio, which later actually you can crop if you want to. But anyway, you can describe the kind of thing that you want to create. But one tip that I think is worth doing is that to make sure your prompt to be as simple as possible. Now usually you want to make your prompt to be detailed, but in this case I have done some testing and I would say simple prompt is almost always better. So I don't know what to say here, so I guess I'm gonna be using this feature to inspire me to give me some simple prompt, and after that click generate video at the bottom. So every month you should be able to get about 50 video credits, and that number will reset every single month. And I don't know what model they're using, but I believe it is not as good as VO2 or maybe Sora video generation. So it's just okay, it's not the highest quality, but I think it's just fine to create a simple short video. And you have to wait between 1 to 2 minutes to get the video done. So I'll just show you when it is done. And this is the result. It's actually quite a simple video, and I would say it's kind of flawless. I cannot see any mistake. Now to put a video into the document, you can click it and that video will actually be uploaded or transferred to your upload folder, which later you can access, and of course you can use it to your project. So this is just one example, and I don't think this is the best way to show the limitation of this AI model. So I'm going to add another video, and this one I'm going to be using a simple prompt, a corgi walking on a rope. Let's generate again, and I'll show you the result in a moment. Well, we got the result. This is not exactly the kind of video that I would imagine. Corgi walking on a rope. It's, well, there is a rope, but it's not walking on a rope. It is walking with a rope, and this is not really what I would imagine. So it's not exactly perfect, and that's why initially I said it's not gonna be as high quality as VO2 or Sora from OpenAI, but for a simple video I think it could do it. And by the way, if you want to use VO2, you can actually navigate to Google AI Studio, and this is another video that I just created using the same prompt, and as you can see it is a lot better than the one from Canva AI. So if you want to know how to create this kind of video using the VO2 model for free, by the way, you can check out my channel. You can search for Google AI video or something, and then you should be able to find the tutorial video. So anyway, I hope you find this tutorial video to be useful, and if that was the case, then please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.